Good afternoon, we are Team Despot and this is ResidensiKita, an AI-powered residential governance platform built for Malaysian communities. So in Malaysia, millions of residents live in strata and PPR housing. But when infrastructure issues happen, there is no intelligent system to guide what happens next. Let me show you why that matters. So imagine living in a PPR flat. You notice a crack spreading across your ceiling. Send it to the WhatsApp group. There is no clear response, no clarity on urgency, no structured action. Days later, water starts leaking. This is how maintenance often works, reactive and unclear. In Malaysia, we don't lack contractors. We lack intelligent routing. Okay, Malaysia has millions of strata and PPR housing units, but maintenance systems are manual and non-transparent. Residents don't know, is this my responsibility? Is it urgent? There's no intelligent layer for residential infrastructure. So our vision is buildings shouldn't react, they should think. ResidensiKita introduced AI-assisted residential governance, not just a marketplace, not just a chat group, but a structured issue routing platform. So how it works. When a resident uploads a photo, Gemini Vision analyzes the image, we classify the issue category, determine severity, estimate repair cost in Malaysian ringgit, and extract the required professional skill. Then our system intelligently matches the issue to local experts or allows structured community posting. We enforce structured JSON schema output using Gemini 2.5 Flash Vision. That means deterministic field like severity, cost range, and required skill. We also implemented exponential backup retry logic to ensure API reliability. So this makes the system production-oriented. So our architecture combines React frontend, Firebase authentication, real-time Firestore database, Gemini Vision API, and a rule-based matching engine. This ensures real-time updates, structured routing, and scalable deployment. Okay, so most systems collect complaints, but we classify them, prioritize them, and route them. ResidensiKita introduced AI-powered residential issue intelligence. Okay, so we interviewed apartment residents and management contacts. What they wanted was clarity on urgency, cost estimation, trusted local experts. So what we did was we added severity badges, cost ranges, and structured job posting based on that feedback. So we measured input through reduction in response time, early detection of high severity issue, community job activation. Long-term, this scales to multi-building dashboards and authority-level routing automation. So SDG alignment. So we aligned it with SDG 11, which enables proactive infrastructure management. SDG 8, create micro opportunities for local skilled residents, and SDG 9, which is digitize residential maintenance systems. So we are not building another chat group. We are building an intelligent communities. Buildings shouldn't react, they should think. Now we'll show you how it works.
Okay, we will go through the live demos. This is the first page that user will see, the ResidensiKita dashboard, which they have button for higher service, community AI dinos, and bulk pricing for subscribe service. And there will be a dashboard where the service is active, the issues have been done, and the experts in the community. And there will be a button to snap and diagnose what is their issues, what is their problem, to find the solutions. And this is the graph of the cost that they can save if they subscribe to the services. So this is the where they can see the service active and the issues, the latest issues. And the next page is services, where they can see the services that is available in the residency that they are currently staying. So they can subscribe to a services to use, like for cleaning, for secure, and for etc. etc. And the next one is the community, where they can see which the services they can use and contact immediately if they have some issues, something to repair or to clean something. And they also can post a request if they want to repair something but they don't find the suitable experts. They can create a request, and also they can took a request and complete the request that is already been displayed. And this is the AI diagnose. We will be using Google AI Vision to identify what is the problem and suggest the best solution for the problem that the resident is facing. And this is the bulk pricing, whereas the user can subscribe to a monthly subscription of the services and save more if more residents is using the same service. And this is so far all of it we have coming to the end. Thank you for watching. Okay,